Good morning. It's already day 2. Yeah, nagising daw si Franco ng 2:30. Dahil wala kaming tulog the entire day. Parang hindi ka rin naman makakapag-food trip. Ang liit-liit ng bituka ni Franco.
Hindi.
Ha?
Hindi. Dami ko lang nainom.
Today, pupunta kami ng Sun Moon Lake. Nag-research na lang ako kagabi. It took like 2 hours, 1 hour. Habang nagko-cool down ako dun sa lakad namin. It's already 3:30. Kuha kami ng umbrella. Nakakainis kasi yung umbrella nga. Bumili pa ako $110. Yung pala, free lang pala dito. I mean, it's not free, but you can rent it. You can just get it dun sa lobby. Nagbabay kami the entire day. I'm so excited kasi kung nasa Japan pa lang ako, or iniisip ko pa lang yung Japan, wala pa yung Taiwan. Gusto ko na mag-bike. Sana sa body ko kayanin ko siya. Pero kakayanin natin sa alang-alang ng experience. Yung pagpunta namin is, lakad kami or mag-bus kami going to Taipei Main Station. Mag-HSR kami from Taipei Main Station to Taichung. Nabili ko yung ticket namin sa Klook. It's 50% off. Sobrang laking savings. Taichung Station, magbabas kami ng bus 6670. May letters yung huli. May 6670, 6670A, 6670B. Papakita ko na lang dito. Ano yung dapat na kunin mo kung gusto mo ng faster to save time and para ma-take advantage namin yung dun sa Klook. So, ginamit ko pala yung Maya Black Card ko kasi nag-accumulate siya ng miles. And kapag ginamit mo yung Maya Black Card mo sa Klook, times 10 yung miles. May second way of going to Sun Moon Lake straight from Taipei Main Station. Gamit ay bus. It will take 3 to 4 hours. Maganda siya kapag ayaw nyo ng transfers. Pero kasi very limited yung timings niya. Papakita ko na lang dito. Kailangan i-make sure mong makabili ka ng ticket ahead of time. Kasi syempre maraming pumupunta ng Sun Moon Lake. So there. Ano ba? Sabihin ko. Ang ganda ng Sun Moon Lake. Excited na ako. Kasi parang for the longest time, laging yun yung tinitingnan ko sa YouTube. Pag nagpapaantok ako sa bahay, yun yung pinapanood ko. Tapos iniisip ko, punta kaya ako doon, tapos mag-overnight ako. Pero this time kasi 3 days lang naman kami dito. Kaya hindi kami mag-overnight doon. Dito lang kami sa Taipei. Actually, dapat nag-overnight na lang kami doon eh. Kasi parang pinunta lang namin dito sa Taipei is yung shopping. Parang, shopping. Ba yun? Sana maging seamless yung travel namin. First time ko lang pala itong gagawin, yung ganitong kind of vlog. Hindi ko nga alam kung ma-upload ko yung ganitong klase. Kasi mas gusto ko yung kind of vlog na may caption, may ganda. Pero hindi ko alam kung makakatch ko yung attention ng viewers. Kasi, bakit yung ganitong klase ng vlog? Una, madali siyang i-edit. Gusto kong i-share siya, yung experience namin ni Franco, doing it yourself, pati dun sa Sun Moon Lake. Kasi parang very complicated yung Sun Moon Lake. Parang kailangan mo munang mag-Klook. Parang, doable naman pala yung DIY. Yung mga nakikita ko online, hindi pa siya kumpleto. Based dun sa napag-aralan ko last night. So, ayun, we'll experience it today and sana ma-share ko siya ng maayos. And hopefully magamit ng mga tao. Already na, naka-shorts lang ako. We're bringing this backpack. Nandito na yung gamit ni Franco. Nandito yung mga essentials namin, power bank, passport, and everything. Medyo backpacker mode kami today. Ayun, we're going. It's already 3:55 and punta ko na kami sa lobby or dun sa pantry. Kaya na kami bago kami umalis. So, passion fruit pala to.
Family milk tea.
Okay lang. Pang ng umay sa noodles. And Franco's having, yan? Chicken.
Sesame noodles.
Yan, mag-carbs ka.
Taba ako na
Tubo. Time check, guys. It's 5:10 and ito yung outfit ko. Naka-backpack ako. May basa ako. 5:11 na. Pupunta kami ng Taipei Main Station. For 20 minutes maglalakad kami. Kahit na today will be a very cardio day. Yeah.
can't call you up when it's late at night. Can't call it love, but at least we try. Can't call you a friend when I'm in my head on a downhill dive. Can't call you cruel for changing your mind. I still can't call it a waste of time. I don't know what to call you if I can't call you mine.
Dito kami sa may Giant Cycling Center. So that's our bike. Kay Franco yung Giant na bike. And sa akin tong bike assist. Guys, ang ganda. Sige, let's try.
Parang maganda pag magba-bike packing ka. Ang dadali mo pannier bags.
Di ko alam.
Backpack na may yung school bag ko. Before yung sa gravel bike. Yung hinahang ko na lang sa gilid ng bike.
Yeah.
Para you don't have to wear it all the time.
Okay.
So let's look for a less covered area.
Ang peaceful. Pagkain namin nandyan. Naghanap kami ng shelter. Oh, good.
That looks
That's
appetizing.
That's made of paper, carton.
It's yung rubber band dito. It's nice.
Kung nakaabot tayo ng 2:45, maaga sana tayo. Wala pa lang 3:45.
Really?
Oo. Pwedeng i-change.
So, ano sa atin ngayon?
Wala, same. 4:45. But that's okay. Kasi nakaupo na tayo nun. Guys, sa gilid lang to ng 7-Eleven. Not bad. Nice. That's so cool. Galing, guys. Yeah. Guys, yung 7-Eleven. Tapos, nandun yung bilihan ng bus ticket going to Taipei. Tapos, dun binaba yung mga, dito kami binaba yung bus dito. Tapos, gumanon kami. Ayan yung mga bus. Guys, nandito na yung ano namin. Is there a seat number? Hello?
Yeah, why not?
Seat 13? 12, 13. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
Ouch. Yung pa. This is the bus. Wow, may footrest pa. May lalagyan ng drink. And there's ano yan? Seatbelt. Mas plush.
My charger.
Oh, really?
I know.
Oh, cool. Oh, yeah, there's charger. Love it. We're leaving. Doon kami bumili. Tell me something about your experience in one sentence. One full sentence. Sa Sun Moon Lake as a whole in general, not just the bike.
Experience.
Yeah.
It could be better.
your experience in Sun Moon Lake could be better.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
If it's, you know, I mean,
With full gears.
not really, but like, well, we're not well informed,
Oh yeah, the medal. Oh.
or you know, like the things general, like at least.
Guys, dito kami nag-bike. Dito, binake namin to. Oh my God. Yay! Oh, lagyan mo na dito. So, andito na kami sa Chow Hotel and it's already time check 12:22. Galing kaming Sun Moon Lake. Naikot namin yung trail loop na 30 kilometers sa Sun Moon Lake and siguro gagawa ko ng separate vlog on how to better DIY Sun Moon Lake. Ganyan. And gusto ko kasing ipakita sa mga tao na it's not as complicated na pumunta doon. Sobrang dali lang niya. So, yun. Galing kami Sun Moon Lake. Natapos kami ng around 2. Pero nakauwi kami yung bus namin is 4:45. Nakauwi kami dito sa Taipei ng 8:30. And pumunta kami ng night market sa Rao. So, parang nabilis lang kami doon. Ayaw kasi ni Franca ng magulo. Pero ba nun? Ayun, so gusto niya ng restaurant. So sabi ko, sige, mag-Ichiran na lang tayo. Nag-bus kami, going to Ichiran. Buti na lang, 15-minute bus lang siya. We spent like, parang an hour. Kasi nga, 40 minutes waiting. But it's okay. There's a decline sa Ichiran quality, I think. Or baka dahil sa standards natin. May standards tayo sa ramen. Tawag dito, hindi ko na siya gusto. Pero natuwa ako na gustuhan ni Franco. Yun naman ang important, right? Masaya siya. Because this is our last day. Gabi yung flight namin. Hoping and wishing makansel. Tapos may free international ticket. Tapos move to the next flight. Pwede rin, gano'n. Kasi may insurance tayo. Pero at the same time, hindi pwede dahil may another flight na naman ako. Pagod na ako. So, sige, bukas na lang, I'll take some videos and sana ma-share ko sa inyo yung last day namin dito sa Taiwan. Yun lang. Good night.